little friends! Today we're diving under the sea. Let's meet some super fun sea animals. Are you ready? Say bloop, bloop, and come with me.
Hi, I'm a fish, I swim all day. I swish, swish, through the ocean way. My fins go fast, I glide and slide. Bloop, bloop, I love this water ride. Hi, I'm a clownfish, orange and bright. I peek, peek, from my coral at night. I wiggle and giggle where anemones hide. Hee hee, come play on the ocean side. Hi, I'm a starfish with arms that spread. No tail, no eyes, no foot, no head. I creep, creep slow on sandy ground. Pop, I grow back if one's not found. Hi, I'm an octopus, twisty and smart. I squirt some ink, psh, then dart. I squeeze through cracks with all my might. Whoosh, I vanish out of sight. Hi, I'm a jelly with squishy flow. My arms go zap, but I'm slow. I float like jelly, clear and cool. Drip, drip, bloop in ocean's pool. Hi, I'm a crab, I walk sideways. My claws go snap, snap every day. I hide in shells or dig down low. With a ticka, 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 I go, go, go. Hi, I'm a turtle with a giant shell. I glide, glide where the big fish dwell. I swim so slow but travel far. Hum, hum, under moon and star. Hi, I'm a dolphin, clever and quick. I talk and click, click, and do a trick. I jump real high with a wee sound, then splash back down to the waves around. I'm a big whale, strong and deep. My voice goes woo as I leap. I shoot up water with a whoosh, blast, and splash. My tail going fast. Hi, I'm a shark with a toothy grin. Don't worry, don't done, I just swim in. I glide through waves, explore the deep. With swish, swish moves, I never sleep. Hi, I'm a squid with long arms neat. I flash my lights, that's my treat. I puff out ink, bloop and go. Zooming off with a quick whoa. Hi, I'm a lobster with claws that clap. I clack, clack when I take a nap. I hide in rocks all red and proud. Not too noisy, not too loud. Hi, I'm a seal with a happy face. I clap, clap flippers and love to race. Arf, arf, I bark with a bouncy cheer. Let's play tag, come over here. Hi, I'm a manta, wide and flat. I flap like wings, flap, slap, just like that. I dance through water in gentle style. Swirl, whoosh, with a graceful smile. Hi, I'm a manatee, soft and round. I chomp, chomp grass without a sound. I float in rivers, calm and slow. With hum, hum vibes as I go, go, go. Hi, I'm a blue tank, zippy and bright. I shimmer and sparkle, blink, blink light. I swim in schools, I dart and dash. Seeds, oh my, vanish in a flash. Hi, I'm a hammerhead, weird and wide. My head is flat, with eyes on inside. I glide around, swish, swish, I roam. In coral reefs I find my home. Hi, I'm a crocodile, I live near shore. With chomp, chomp jaws and ancient lore. I sneak through swamps where waters hide. But I'm not mean, just love the tide.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the song? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more songs like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can sing along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on PoPoBuzz.